All right, so I'm just going through some of these and evaluating with some of the trades. Now, the ones that I'm doing, these are like the demo. Like you can I always show you guys demo, and then I have hold on, and then I have the other. I have the ones with the live trades. Um, this one I got in what yesterday? Is that yesterday? It was like right up in here, right? I'm saying yesterday. It's earlier today. No, it was. Oh no, there was. It was Wednesday. It was yesterday. But anyway, be that as it may. So I drew my zone in here. Um, because what I'm seeing happening is they, they range in that area. This indicator, I use it, but then I don't use it. Like I don't trade it in necessarily. I kind of use it as a guide, kind of just, before I was like, oh, I'm exclusively, no, man, I found I do better using it as kind of a guide for my own setup. Excuse me, for my own setups. Oh, wait, did I have another box down here or something? Because I see it's entered down here. I must have had another box. I don't know, man. Anyway, let's just keep it moving. Let's see. I'm looking around. I have the engulf set up. Man, it would have been nice. I caught that. That was Tuesday. I didn't set this up until I didn't actually calibrate the current settings for the engulf until I think it was last night or something. And that happened just before. Man, I would have been in that. Look at that. Right below that blue line where it started. And then it's right here. Nice. Oh my gosh, man. It's so bad that it's messed up that I missed out. Because I saw that this extended from here. I make my boxes, right? And it went down to this line, which is these are like support, right? That's how I see support. So anyway, down here, back up. I mean, I probably would have stayed and just held it and waited until it got down there, which is that's my intention, is to hold it until it hits that bottom there. 730 or 7 days, 194 pips. Then reverse it and buy, right? Hold it for what, another 7 days. This time it would have been okay and retested. Yeah, they typically retest, especially on GBP JPY. Okay. Um, and then another 168. Um, I was drawing a couple boxes, looking at some areas. Um, this was down here at the time I drew this. This going back into the other box. Oh man, I missed that entry. Oh, yeah. See, I'm busy. I'm busy. Um, looking around, looking around. Oh, there's a good one. Oh my goodness. And see the retest twice, three times. Oh, one, two. It might if it does it again. Let's put a alert right there. Might do it again. Oh man. Oh yeah, I'm in this trade here. So that's the short. I did like some other strategy and started getting some losses. I stopped it and redid this one. Now it's bringing me back up again. I know I test things in a live account, which is not a good idea. You don't want to do that. Test things in a demo, right? All right. Oh, somebody's texting. Let me put this on pause. And let's see here. This one, I'm not too crazy. It's not crazy about this. Extend this thing out, man. Well, what's good about this is it will range a lot. Okay, this is USDCHF we're talking about. I mean, if you can catch that, because typically, I mean, what's good is catching this thing on a like spike, like I think, is it 200? Well, not even that. It's not even going to really do that because it's USDCHF, right? Who trades that, right? I do. So after a nice spike, I like to see those. Then you can really get the range going, man. You can set up your little zone. Uh, this one needs to be established like this. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is right. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I was texting. I shouldn't have did that. I should have paused the video. Apologize. Um, man. Oh man. It didn't go up though. It didn't go up to here. So it hasn't touched it yet. So it's still going. This is, I mean, you know what? I'm not too crazy about it. This just takes so long. Look at this, 22 to a long wait. I would have just said, okay, the third one, and then it came back. Just take profit on that line. You know what I mean? Um, yeah. Jeez. Oh well, is what it is, right? Um, the USDCHF. Did I do one? Yeah, I did one for you, JP. No, Euro. USDJPY. Um, here it would short by. Yeah, I gotta see it hit one of the sides. All right. Nothing really yet. No, this one went into another zone. Yeah, this one went. Look, it stayed out. Look, it's like retested it. I don't need this anymore. Let's erase that. All the stuff I don't need anymore. I use measurements because it helps me see like patterns, like consistent patterns. Like if you use the same measuring stick everywhere, you're gonna see if something is repeating itself, right? Golly, and all these drawings. Oh, I missed it. Oh, the mouse went over. I'm not even using a mouse pad. It's in front of me. All right. Boom comes up. And I like to see how long it takes to get to the top of the zone, so I know what to expect. You know what I mean? Stuff I was drawing in here. This one, hmm. Yeah, and it didn't even. Okay. Now some of these I extend out. Like I went way back here and extended it out. Um, I like to see if it returns to areas, right? where it's got that confluence, you know what I mean? That range. And I feel a lot more confident trading ranges. I used to always try to catch these like reversals and go, you know what I mean? Those trends and stuff, which tap was good for the time, but not anymore. This one has been kind of frequent here. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh man. This might be here actually. That might come to there, man. I mean, if it goes back up to this point, I'm in for the short. I might just take this down. You know what? Let's take this down. It's kind of a new area, and I found that the older areas keep their power much longer than I anticipate. You know what I mean? Like older levels. So went to that third line, man, right? And got trapped in here. Yeah. Let's see. This one is going back almost into this, but you know how it's too new. And this has been going on a really strong trend. I don't like that at all. You know what I mean? I don't like that. So I wouldn't grab a fresh one like that. Golly, I got all the drawings from my hedging all over the place. So now we're in this one. I just opened up. Let's see, it went up. It didn't reach this. It came back here. There's a good chance this could just keep going, right? Of course. Um, yeah. Hmm. This one has been. I stretch. I stretch. I stretched this one out. This returned back inside. This was in a whole other area, and went back into this area. Pretty cool. This cat CHI for you. Took about what from this first one 7 days. I'm noticing something now. 7 days. Didn't quite touch it on the. You're supposed to touch it on the 12th day. Didn't quite reach it. Maybe this was a little too big. Seven and 12. Right. It's usually like 7, 12. Right. Five. This one took 8 days. So what are we on now? Maybe I think that's the pattern is 7 and 12, right? Almost. Godly, almost. So should be holding them 7 and 12 days, probably. 7 days and 12 days. 7 days and 12. Get out on the 12th day. Get out. Right. That's calendar days I'm talking about. I was wondering if this was going to snap. I seen it going right in here, right? But I wonder if this is gonna break, man. I think it is. I'm just guessing. That's just a guess. Sort of educated. All right, so that's I think that wraps it up. This one I'm in at 53 pips. This one down 54 pips. This one 8.9. This one 1.4. These are like at the entry. All right, that's it. Peace.